In this video, you'll learn how to create a Xero login and get started. If you haven't got a Xero account yet, go to Xero.com and click Try Xero for free. Enter your details, agree to the terms and conditions, and click Get Started. Xero sends you an email to confirm your details. Go to your inbox, find the email, and click the link to get started. Next, enter a secure password and then click Activate your account. Xero needs a few more details to complete the initial setup. Start by entering your organisation name, which Xero will display on your invoices. Check that your country and currency are correct, as once you start the trial you won't be able to change this information. Next, enter what your organisation does. Start typing your industry and select the best option that applies to your business from a drop-down. Xero will use this information to recommend connected apps for your business. Set your financial year end, which feeds into your reporting. And finally, select your current accounting solution. When you're done, click Start Trial. The first thing you'll see is the Xero dashboard. Watch the introduction video and get an overview of the setup process. As you start to use Xero, you'll see more information on this dashboard. For example, invoices owed to you. To manage your trial account, click on the organisation name and select My Xero. There are a few things you can do here. When you're ready to convert your trial account, click Pay Now and follow the steps to buy a subscription. If you run multiple businesses, click Add an organisation to create another Xero account for the same login. Xero provides each user with their own demo company. Use it to practice new skills and try new features. It consists of test data that resets automatically every 28 days. You can also manually reset it anytime you want. If you have a question or need support, click the help icon. Click any of the links provided. For example, go to Xero Central to explore help articles. Alternatively, enter a search criteria and press Enter. If you still can't find what you're looking for, scroll down and click Contact Xero Support. This takes you to Xero Central, where you can submit a query. Enter detailed information and click Send. A Xero support specialist will contact you within 24 hours.